Hello guys, 1 minus 4 in bracket 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 will give us minus 3. 1 minus 4 will give us minus 3. Remember there is invisible times here. Minus 3 times minus 3 will give us 9. This answer is not correct. According to board mass, we solve bracket first before division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So let's solve it and get the correct answer. So first of all, we need to solve the bracket. 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4 rather, will give us minus 3. Remember there is invisible times here. Times 4 minus 1. So minus 4 times minus 3 will give us what? Plus 12. This plus 12 plus this 1 plus 12 plus 1. 1 plus 12. This 1 plus this will give us 13. So our final answer is what? 13.